Welcome to this video tutorial on internet sharing on your PKT Pal product dashboard. In this video, we're going to cover how to turn on your Wi-Fi sharing, your VLS, users, and more. Let's get started. Your device will automatically be in Wi-Fi sharing mode upon setup. From your PKT OS dashboard, you can see a quick view of the results and stats of your Wi-Fi sharing on your dashboard. This includes the verified link speed, or VLS, the number of currently connected users, your Wi-Fi sharing income for the past 24 hours, and the number of edge extenders you have connected. Your verified link speed, or VLS, is like a credit score of your Wi-Fi connection. This score is determined by performing periodic speed tests. The faster speeds you have, the more users you can have using your Wi-Fi at one time. Connected users are the total number of users that are currently on your Wi-Fi network. This includes users paying for high-speed internet, as well as users using your free network access. More details about your Wi-Fi sharing can be found in the Wi-Fi sharing section of your device page. Scroll down to see a historical graph. Here you'll find more information and historical data around your VLS, current users, and total paying users, as well as information on your daily earnings. Click Wi-Fi sharing history on the sidebar. Here you'll find a more extensive history of your VLS, paying users, speed test results, and daily earnings. And that's it. You've successfully reviewed your VLS, current users, total paying users, and Wi-Fi sharing earnings. Thank you for following this tutorial. Follow and subscribe to stay up to date. Make sure to connect with us on all our social channels, and we'll see you on the next video. If you have any questions, please contact Rowdy at PKTPal.com.